Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a shortcode in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to install this particular plugin, which is WP Forms. This actually lets you install or add or embed some forms such as party reservation, contact form, and a lot more. So this is what we call shortcode right here. So what we can do is we can copy this shortcode right here, right click and click on copy, and once it's been copied, let's head over to our page wherein we want to add this. So right now, let's head over to our pages that we have. Click on all pages and then select the page wherein you want to add it. For me, I'll add it on my use page. Click on this edit option right here, and then this will open the WordPress block editor. So this is our page. Let's click on this plus icon and let's search in here for shortcode. Here's shortcode right here. Click on that. And then let's paste in here what we have copied. So once you have done that, head over and save this progress that you have made. And then from in there, you should also be able to click on this view page in order to see the forms that we have attached. So here's right here, and this is the forms that we have added from the shortcode that we have copied. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.